guys, and thanks for joining me at the Financial Spotlight. I'm Chantel, and I'm here to give you financial tips and tricks that are going to help you on your road to know your money. And today, I want to bring to you some information about taxes for the young people in your life. Maybe it's your son, your daughter, your niece, nephew, your grandchild, whoever it is. A lot of times we urge our children to go out and get jobs, and a lot of times after they've gotten the job, there's not really any type of instruction or anything to help them move forward. So I wanted to bring this to you as the parent or guardian so that you will know what moves you should make to get them in order. So first of all, yes, you're going to have your child get the job, and that's great. When they go to the job, they're going to fill out what's called a W-4. And so when they fill out the W-4, that's going to ask about their social, their name, their address, and all that, and also how much money they want taken out of their taxes. Usually teenagers, when they fill this out, all they do is follow the instructions that the payroll person or human resources person tells them, which is go ahead, just put your name, address, social, and all that at the top. And then at the bottom, then you would put sign and date it and turn it back in, right? So that's understandable, and they can do it that way. And when they do it that way, they're going to have taxes taken out of each one of their paychecks. So no matter how much money they make, taxes are going to be taken out and they're going to be sent to the IRS. So on the flip side, as a tax accountant for 20 plus years, I have been doing taxes for people with children and also for their children. And when they have a child, of course, you are claiming your child as a dependent on your taxes, right? But they don't always know, and I have to let them know that your child has the right to file a tax return as well as a dependent. And when they file the tax return as a dependent, then they are entitled to get whatever taxes they paid out of their paycheck to the IRS back. So that is what's going to happen if your child fills out that W-4 and then doesn't make any changes to the W-4. They just fill it out. They put they sign it and date it at the bottom, and then they go ahead and turn it in. Here's an example for you. Okay, now the other side of it is if your child fills out that W-4 and they actually put exempt in the bottom section of that form and then they sign and date it, they are allowed to claim an exemption or to be exempt because they are not of age to, number one, file taxes for themselves. Number two, just in general, they're not of age to do it as an independent person. So this can be your 16-year-old who just got their first job. It can be all the way up to your 24, 25-year-old who has a part-time job, goes to school, lives with you, all of that, and you still claim them as a dependent on your taxes. They can fill out the form and then file exempt and put exempt on the bottom of the form, and then that way no taxes get taken out of their check at all, and they're getting 100% of their income unless there's some other things that are taken out. There's of course maybe the people cover medical, or there are some other taxes that fees that need to come out out of the person's paycheck. However, as far as the federal taxes is what I'm referring to, those can be not taken out. And then also the state taxes. If you have state taxes in your state, then those can also be avoided as well. So if you need more information about that, then here is how your child will fill out the form. Are you still trying to figure out exactly what you need to write off on your taxes? Well, Don't fret, because I have a free, yes, I said a free tax deduction list, plus a guide to guide you through and tell you every single deduction and exactly why and how you write it off on your taxes. Go ahead and download that today. Link is down below in the description box. You'll thank me later. So basically, at the end of the day, what we're trying to do is make sure that our child is getting the full benefit of being a working person. Either they're going to get the refund of their taxes that they've paid all year long by us helping them or them filling out a form, a 1040 easy form for them to get back the whole taxes that they've gotten taken out of their paycheck, or we're going to help them fill out a W-4 where it says exempt and they're not getting any taxes taken out of their paycheck and they're able to keep all of their money that they're earning. So there's two ways that you can help your child benefit from working and not just have them out there working and paying taxes and then not getting the benefit of being a taxpayer. I hope this information has helped you. Go ahead and share it with your friends and family. If you have any questions, please make sure that you put them in the comment section below. And as always, we actually become a part of the Financial Spotlight family. We'd love to have you. Go ahead and subscribe and hit the notification bell so you know when I am going to post the next video. Thanks for joining me. Have a great one. Bye.